Hi everyone. So this class is about the sentences structure. Let's start with the first group. There are two sentences here. Please read along with me. 请跟我读。你想喝什么？你想吃什么？ So as we talked in the last video, 你想 means you want. 什么 means what. And the part in between here can be replaced by different words. So this sentence's structure is equivalent to what do you want to blah blah blah. So for the first one, it means what do you want to drink. The second one, what do you want to 吃 means eat. If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you. Now let's look at the second group. Please read along with me. 我想喝水。我想吃饭。So actually, this sentence's structure is used to express I want to blah 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 blah. It can be replaced with different words or even nouns to express one's intentions. And actually, it's the answer for the question of group 1, right? Number 3. Please read along with me. 请跟我读。这个多少钱？那个多少钱？米饭多少钱？ Have you remember what's the meaning for 多少钱? It means how much, right? So this sentence's structure is used to inquire for the prices. So we can change the first words for this sentence's structure. For example, we can use 这个、那个. Both are the pronouns. Or we can directly use the specific nouns. For example, 米饭. Okay, for the last group, number 4. Please read along with me. 20块。15块. So as we talked before, quite is a unit of measure when talking prices, which is equivalent to yuan. It's kind of the spoken language of yuan. So the key part here is to master how to count from 1 to 99. So do you note how much for 20 and 15? Do anyone want to give it a try? Okay, the answer is 20. And this one is 15, right? Okay, did you make it right? Okay, so after completing lesson 3, I hope everyone can proficiently count from 1 to 10 and recognize the number by hearing a number within the range of 1 to 99. And as you all know, ordering some food is a very important scenario in the daily life. I have prepared some free talk practice materials here. Please imagine this is a menu here, and then feel free to practice how to order some food or drinks. I hope everyone after these lessons can step into a nearby Chinese restaurant and then put your learning into the practice. Now let's practice the pronunciation together. For this one is, obviously, there are some food, right? So that's 我想吃. Which one? Okay, 我想吃饺子. 我想吃薯条. chips, right? 我想吃馒头。我想吃蛋糕。我想吃烤鸭。我想吃虾 shrimp。我想吃汉堡。我想吃饼干。我想吃蔬菜。我想吃海鲜。So, 你想吃什么？ Okay, let's move to the next part. Please read along with me. 我想喝可乐。It's Coke, right? 我想喝橙汁 Orange juice. 我想喝咖啡。我想喝牛奶。我想喝汤 soup. Okay, so 你想喝什么？ Let's summarize it. The homework for this video is to complete the try to speak, and the listening, and of course the research game exercises in the textbook. And additionally, at the end of the lesson 3, I have left another interesting assignment for you all. Please follow the link to enter our online classroom interactive wall, and then you can meet the second challenge. And also, you can check with the other Chinese learners from all around the world. So, see you in the next class. Keep up the good work. Bye. If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you and see you.